Everybody, it's CJ. Look at guys, I'm making this video because a lot of you aren't coming on the coaching call, which is annoying, but okay, I get it. Probably because you're not doing the work, which is another problem you have. So let's try to do a little bit of coaching now over your phone, probably. You probably clicked on your phone. So first of all, we're 2020. You want to get into a position of making money. You got to get yourself up to 25,000 followers. That kind of triggers a lot of opportunities. So you have to have a foundation built. So the foundation starts with content. So, we're going to be shooting videos this weekend on Saturday, funny videos as well as TikTok videos. Next Sunday we're shooting, and those are free, by the way. Next Sunday we're shooting regular photos, which is almost free. It's going to include all your makeup and hair and styling and everything else. That could get you as much as 600 pieces of content, and that will really help to launch it. But if you're not doing that, then at home you can do it. This is an iPhone 10, I think it's a 10, and this works fine. The new 11 is amazing. I can't wait to get it. But this will give you what you need. You just need a tripod, or maybe just a shelf. Put it on here. Use a timer to set yourself up, and either shoot stills or shoot video. I need the light to be right, so make sure the light's coming towards your face, not this way. Otherwise, it's going to look stupid. Okay. Even when you're shooting out in the street and everything, look where the light is. Make sure you turn and get that set right. Don't do this. Don't use the phone in your hand. Always put it somewhere and do a timer, because it's cheap. It looks cheap. I don't want you to look cheap. Stylizing. I sent you an email with how to stylize, 2 different emails with how to stylize your page. What does that mean? It should be consistent the way it looks. The filter should be consistent. You should use Lightroom, which is a product that we talk about. You can download for $3 on your phone, and it will do tremendous filtering for you. And you can set your filters so the photos are all look alike. On top of the filtering, you need to make sure your light is consistent. So that's another thing. And then on top of that, I need your bio to be strong. So I sent you an email about how to make a great bio. So go back to those emails I sent you and look for it. It says how to make an amazing bio. If you don't have them, text me or email me and I'll resend them. 310-709-1259. Okay, so that's the basics. Now, on Instagram, I'd really like to see you post one photo at 9 and one photo at 12. That would be the best scenario. You could go 3 o'clock on the second photo, 6 o'clock Eastern time, that's fine too. But you should post twice a day, and I'd like to see you do 2 stories a day. I'm telling you this, but sometimes I don't post twice a day. Sometimes I don't do stories every day. But you should do that, okay? That's just for Insta. You can set your Instagram where you can also do that on Twitter. You can also do it on your Facebook, which you can do automatically. TikTok, however, is a little different. So on top of doing Instagram stuff, I'd like to see you guys do at least 1 TikTok video a day and maybe more. We will be helping you to do those on the weekends. However, you can also do them, you need to do more than 1 a week or 2 a week, so you're going to need to do some at home. So TikTok is a platform that allows you to go wide and deep if you have funny or interesting content. So there's lots of ways to do that. The Explore page on TikTok, go to it, look at what's trending hashtags, and just follow them. They'll give you like something you can push, and you can actually create off of an app they have on TikTok. So you don't even have to make anything that's super original. Also, make sure you use your own phones. Don't shoot it on something else and then transfer it. They don't like that. They want it to be organic. Okay. I sent you 2 TikTok things. One was something Michael did, which was he wrote out a whole 9 things to do, and then there's another video and a program that we bought for you that'll teach you how to do TikTok. So go dig those up and look at those, because TikTok's going to be a way for you to really get reach far and fast. So start on that. I mean, other things I talk about when I have people come on the call, just generally making sure hashtags are good. I always hashtag at least 10. I don't do the same ones every time. I vary them according to my content. If I'm talking about, like today I was talking about, I'm going to be the king of FUCK, which is just my way of saying just screw it, I'm doing it. Just F it, I'm doing it. So on my hashtags I was like F it, F, I found some hashtags that were pretty congruent to what I'm saying, and I included them in there along with some mindset hashtags and some other things I thought were appropriate. But it was all geared based on my content. So it takes a little longer to do that, but it's worth it. I also usually add Gary V, and then now I'm adding Gary V Challenge because he's got a challenge going on, just so that I'm at least in the mix, even though I'm not going to win the thing. So those are things you can start doing. Your caption, let's finish with that. Make it, I mean, you don't have to do more than a paragraph or two, but at least make it something, you know, something that's valuable to your audience. You know, maybe something that you're thinking of at the time, or maybe it has something to do with a photo or video you posted. You know, like I'll just talk a little bit about what I'm talking about in the video and then tell them to watch it. Don't be afraid to ask questions because that'll get responses. And finally, do not forget to get on the engagement group. The engagement group right now is IG posts. That's the only one we have. We don't have the IG squad anymore. Somebody was being rude on there, and I cut it because there's no value in that anyway, just people talking. If you want to reach out to other members of the community, you just got to text or email me, and I'll send it out to everyone. So if you need something or you want something or you have a group you want to set up, I'm fine with that. But I cannot deal with people that are disparaging other people and things like that. That's not what that was for. So IG posts, you post on there. We, including me, will like and comment on it every single day. It's a great way to get engagement up. Okay, guys? I sent you a whole thing about the $1.80 method. That's Gary V's secret sauce to going out and getting people to follow you. Once you get enough content, at least 10 pieces of content that are great, then you can start that method. We can talk about that at another time. All right, go at it. Come on, guys. 2020. Let's make this happen.